Hi, this is Dr. Nicole McCauley with Breath of Life Wellness Center and Central Coast Chiropractic, and I'm here again with your daily health hack. Well, we've heard of the freshman 15, and now we have the COVID-19. That's right, a lot of us are changing our eating habits and our exercise habits. So we're a little bit more sedentary than we're used to, and we are gaining some weight. So let's look at some of the things that we can do. We're going to focus on that this week. Some of the things that we can do to keep our bodies moving and to keep our digestion moving and to keep our calories in check. Okay, so today we're going to talk about constipation. Yes, I'm going to go there first and foremost. Okay, so with constipation, it is something that happens. Well, what's the definition of constipation? Some people have a routine where they go, once a week. Some people go once a day. Some people go every time they eat. So what's normal? Well, I'm glad you asked. Normal is actually going 2 times a day or as frequently as you eat. That is what our bodies are meant to do. We're supposed to bring food in and then eliminate waste out. That's great. Not everybody's there. And those folks I was talking about who are only going once a week or less, that's an issue. Please contact me separately aside from this post. Okay, back to what can we do? All right, number 1, let's look at our water intake. You want to make sure that you're getting half your body weight in ounces. Your large intestine is in charge of absorbing water, so we want to make sure and make that job easy. It'll also make passing stool easier for you too. So water intake is key. Next thing we can do is make sure we're moving our body. We've been talking about that a lot the last few weeks in our posts here. So keeping your body moving will actually help your body move the bowels. And so that's number 2. And number 3 is making sure that you're eating fibrous foods. And that could come in the form of vegetables, which is my personal preference for you. So eating your vegetables and fruits. And then if that's still not enough for you, you can do things like taking probiotics, taking prebiotics, or you can take fiber as well too. So let's talk a little bit about that. Probiotics are good digestive bacteria that help us to move our stool, among other things, keeps our immune system strong. And what we need to do to feed those good bacteria is to take prebiotics. Well, prebiotics are found in produce, so we're going back to produce again. This is definitely a great place to put a bookmark there. Make sure you're eating your produce. It's good for so many things. And so we have our fiber, we're eating our produce, we're bringing in that prebiotic. There are 2 types of fiber that are out there. There's the kind of fiber where it's actually the bulky fiber that moves stool and toxins and things out of our body. But then there's also a type of fiber called Inulin, and that's the prebiotic kind as well too. So you have lots of different ways to choose from, new ideas and tips and tricks to keep everything moving through your body. So stay tuned for more tips from me, Dr. Nicole McCauley, at Breath of Life Wellness Center and Central Coast Chiropractic, where we're elevating mind and body for you to live your best life. Stay well.